De La Cruz, and we're the owners of Hair Concepts. We've been around since 1998.
Yes, so it's been an honor to serve you, and we opened up this online access here, online channel, so that way you can get exposed to hair tips, products, anything that has to do with your personal care, skin care, before and afters, and much more.
Anything to make you glow.
Exactly, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. That way every time we upload a video, you get notified. But other than that, welcome to Hair Concepts Online. We also have an online store where you can actually take a look at some of the products that we carry here. And we just welcome you and looking forward to serving you if you're in the Anchorage area. And again, this is Michael De La Cruz and Krist De La Cruz, and we're the owners of this incredible place where our goal is to pretty much make a difference and bring out your inner glow.
Welcome.